In this video, you'll learn how to use Microsoft Bookings with multiple attendees so you can move from one-on-one appointments to group sessions without any confusion. Whether you're running classes, webinars, consultations, or internal meetings, setting up a service that allows more than one person to book the same time slot is surprisingly simple once you know where to look. First, make sure you're signed in to your Microsoft 365 account and have Microsoft Bookings open in your browser. You should be on the main dashboard of your bookings calendar. From here, look toward the side menu and find the section labeled Services. This is where you control what types of appointments people can book with you, and it's also where we'll enable multiple attendees for a specific service. Go ahead and click on Services. You'll now see a list of all the services you've already created, like consultations, training sessions, or classes. Since we want to set up a new service that supports multiple attendees, look for the option to add a new one. Click Add New Service. When you do this, Microsoft Bookings will open a new page or panel where you can define everything about that service. This includes details like the service name, description, duration, price, if applicable, and staff assignment. Even though there are a lot of fields here, the key setting we care about for multiple attendees is related to capacity. Scroll through the service options carefully until you find a field labeled Maximum Number of Attendees. This is the crucial step that determines whether your service can have group bookings or is restricted to a single person per time slot. By default, this field is usually set to 1, which means only one attendee can book that particular time at a time. To allow multiple attendees, click into the maximum number of attendees field and change it from 1 to the total number of people you want to allow for that service. For example, if you're running a training session and you're comfortable hosting up to 20 people at once, type in 20. Think of this number as the capacity limit for each time slot. Once that limit is reached, no more people will be able to book that specific time, which helps you avoid overbooking and keeps your schedule manageable. Take a moment to consider what makes sense for your situation. If the session is highly interactive or requires a lot of individual attention, you might choose a smaller number. If it's more of a presentation style session, you might go higher. You can always come back and adjust this value later if you find you need more or fewer spots. After setting the maximum number of attendees, review any other details for the service, such as the duration, buffer time, location, and which staff members will provide it. Even though these aren't directly related to multiple attendees, they all work together to create a smooth booking experience for you and your participants. Once you're happy with your settings, and especially with the capacity field, scroll to the bottom or top of the page and look for the option to save your changes. Click Save. This step is essential. If you navigate away without saving, your maximum attendee setting will revert and your service will remain limited to a single attendee. That's it. Your new service is now set up in Microsoft Bookings to accept multiple attendees for each available time slot. From now on, when people use your booking page to schedule this specific service, they'll be able to join a shared time until the maximum number of attendees you specified is reached.